So you broke the Hellcat.
Yeah, bro. Not even 6,000 miles on it, already broke her, so. Yeah.
Oh, shit. I would be worried too. What's up, guys? How's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video. It's your boy Rush, back at it again. Today is a beautiful day here in SoCal, and I am cruising with my homie 6.2 Hellcat. I haven't seen him since I got my E85 tune on this car, so today hopefully we'll get some fun runs in, kind of see what the difference is now that this car is on E85. He's filling up gas over there, hood popped and everything. You know how he is. So let's go ahead and say what's up. And there's my GTs. First time I've taken her out in a minute, like for an actual drive. So she sounds a lot louder than she used to, that's for sure. There's the kitty, nice and warm. Still filling up that 91, huh?
91, bro.
Soon to be 85.
Hopefully soon, man. I am.
Yep. They're making the switch also, so he's gonna be also another member of the E85 squad. It's kind of the good thing to do right now, especially with how cheap E85 is. Cruise PCH today?
I'm down.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
And then Mexico?
Mexico tonight?
Yeah.
Ooh, damn, okay.
Mexico right now.
Sheesh.
No, I'm just kidding. But we did agree that we'll test the cars out today, since I'm on E85 and he's on 91 still. Then once he goes on E85 and I'm on 85, then we'll test the cars out again. So it's all for fun, kind of just see if it made a difference or it didn't. I think it did. It should have. If it didn't make a difference, it's gonna be a problem. I'm gonna ask for my money back.
Oh my God.
But yeah, we'll see. So you broke the Hellcat.
Yeah, bro. Not even 6,000 miles on it, already broke her. So.
Now what's going on for real though?
Yeah,
tell us.
So my idler pulley is
making like noise.
Making like a.
But you guys spilled
noise.
coolant on it. You and D-Rod.
I did spill coolant on it, so yeah, that's my mechanic's fault. So.
Yeah. Hopefully Dodge doesn't see this.
I know they.
They're like not covering it. All right, go ahead.
Not making it right now. Obviously, it's not gonna.
The one time, yeah. I wouldn't be too worried about it though.
There you go. See, that's hear that high pitch number.
Oh, okay, that one.
Yeah.
So when you put pressure on it,
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, that's no good. I wasn't expecting that.
I have no idea, like.
No, it's probably one of the, I don't know. You probably have to take that into the dealership. That does not sound too good. But it's probably one of the pulleys, just like maybe the water kind of messed it up a little bit. So yeah, that's annoying.
Yeah.
I was not expecting that. I thought it was a little rattle or something. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below. I mean, I'm thinking it's probably just one of the bearings is going bad on one of the pulleys. I think take it in, the best thing. Yeah. Car's a warranty, so. Yeah. Kitty sounds a little funny right now. Okay, cool. Let's go cruise.
Let's go.
Let's do it. All right, guys. So me and the homie are cruising down to PCH right now. Put you guys on GoPro cam. There's a beautiful Rolls Royce over there at the light. I haven't really driven the Mustang, the Whipple, at least that much, especially with the 85. So I have a full tank almost. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of have some fun. There's only one thing I'm noticing, and that is the response with the 85. It's either the car wants to go or stop, and if it's in between, it kind of does this weird like little surge, which I'm gonna try to show you guys right now as soon as we get some space here, of what it does when it's like not going and not, you know, it's if you're not wide open throttle, it's like a weird kind of space for it where, you know, it just starts to kind of buck a little bit if I start to pull off. So I'm gonna see if Palm Beach Down can kind of get that sorted out. But the downshift sounds so crispy on E85 and with this tune, so I'm not sure if there's like a difference there or not. How does the corn smell? You can smell it? Yeah. Dude, this thing is loud, man. I need to make it quiet again.
I was gonna tell you, like, that shit is too loud.
Too loud, huh?
Quiet it down. Throw a muffler out there. Like, close something up.
Yeah, I might have to like close the valves on the Magnum Flow setup. Yeah.
It's like a valve
Yeah, but there's no pops anymore, which is good.
Yeah, why would you just turn on the purple tune, right?
Yeah, like on the new tune, because now it's tuned by somebody. It's not the Whipple tune anymore, so it doesn't have the burbles anymore. But E85 is kind of weird. Like you saw when I took off, like it kind of does like it's kind of like bucks a little bit. It either wants to go wide open throttle or nothing. Yeah, it's weird. So when you drive normally it's fine, but once you give it a little bit of gas, you'll see it. So I think because there's such a big throttle body for this Whipple kit, it's 132 mil, that, you know, there's really, it's either going to be open and letting a lot of, you know, air in, or it's going to be closed. That's kind of my guess on why it does that, because I heard like big throttle bodies will do that. So maybe that's something that cannot be fixed. It's just kind of the way the car is. So we'll see. Now to kind of have some fun here, so let's go ahead and kind of speed up. Gap sesh. Pull up, my friend, pull up. I don't think he wants to pull up. The Hellcat will not pull up next to me. Why don't you pull up for a little run? Huh? Why don't you pull up next to me for a run?
Where are we gonna go, bro?
No, down there. It's all good, bro. It's all good. I would be worried too. What if you gap me on 85, bro? I'll sell the fucking car, I swear to God. Straight up, if he gaps me while I'm on the 85, then I'm selling the car. There's no point in keeping it anymore. Truck. What a beautiful day. Woo! To be out and about. Spin and then I hooked and then we just were off. That was fun. My engage keeps wanting to fall off. How does it feel? Yeah? I think it made a difference. I spun though. I spun. All right, guys, so we just pulled up to HB, me and the homie. Now we're gonna go and actually get food somewhere today. Lately, it's been really hard to eat anywhere because everything's been kind of on lockdown and anything like that. So today, I think we can actually go dine inside a restaurant, which is pretty awesome. I haven't done that in a long time. Still gonna take my mask, and we're gonna go see what's up. Cops just passed by.
The vibes here are real, man.
The vibes are
Everything
real.
is open, dude.
This feels like
Ready to go dine in a restaurant.
damn. Yeah, you see them rolling in?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, I think it sounds pretty good.
Bro, that noise came back. I think it's in my backseat somewhere.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh man.
I gotta tear apart my back.
What's it called? What gear did you leave off of when we went to third gear?
Yeah.
60?
Dude, was it a 60? I don't even know what roll it was.
Ah. So you're giving it to me easy, huh? You
Third
don't.
gear, bro, yeah. Thought I would spin less on third, so that's why I took it off on third. I spun a little bit, but
Did you spin or no?
a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, I fucking spun. I
heard you chirping, yeah.
But yeah, I spun. I stayed in it, and it still kind of started falling away. So I was like, this thing is definitely quicker than it was.
It's quicker, yeah.
Because before, if I spun, like you would have been in front of me.
Right, yeah. You were. I thought I like had you for a second because you were spinning, and then like once you like caught traction, I was like, oh shit.
Okay, but we have to do proper runs tonight.
Yeah,
Like proper. I just don't think my transmission is gonna last very long, guys. I can feel it. It's gonna go out very soon. But anyways, here are the cars.